Now let's slice the model and generate G-codes using Creality software. Open the Creality software and import the STL file of the cone that we had saved earlier. Here we can see that the file was scaled up to 10,000 times automatically. Now we have to reduce the size. While doing so, we have to make sure that uniform scaling option is selected here. We need the base to be 30 mm. Since we have selected uniform scaling option, when the X value was changed, the corresponding Y and Z value changed automatically and proportionately. Here we can change the print quality, infill density, material properties, speed of printing, support structures and other printing related parameters. After we have made all necessary changes, we have to click on slice. After slicing, we can see the preview. Each layer can be individually visualized using this simulation option. After checking the simulation, we can save the file in G-code format and it can be copied to a memory card, and memory card can be inserted into a 3D printer and the printing process can be carried out. After printing it in a 3D printer, we get a model like this. Thanks for watching.